Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 21st, 2022. The spot, the location that is garnering predictive content, meaning trying to forecast and predict where prices are going to go without the confusion. So welcome to the channel. If you all appreciate the content, hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel because we're going to talk about DWAC. All right, you guys can see it. Market completely dumped yesterday in trading, and I really needed to talk about what this means. You guys can see that DWAC fell almost 17% in one day. Now, that changes a lot of things in regards to where price is going to go. For one, it gives us confirmation that this downtrend line, which I already have on my chart, is still intact, meaning that the downtrend is definitely still going on. We're not bullish in the market in DWAC in one sense of the word. Secondly, is after I did my video in DWAC on September the 11th, right? I was looking for the price to go up because I told you all, as long as the market in DWAC holds $22.25, the market was going to go up. And it did for a couple of days. But something is going on in DWAC. Someone knows something regarding this stock or this SPAC, this Donald Trump SPAC. Somebody knows something. Because the market could not sustain its price above $22.25. We needed to see that. And since that didn't happen, we need to be bearish. We need to expect the continued weakness to occur in DWAC. So let me go ahead. If you all were able to grab the profitability, because I gave you one price target of $25 into the market in DWAC, and that is where the market topped out 2 days after I did the video. So at least should have nibbled off some profit, 4.38%. That was it. Market in DWAC could not reach all the way up there to 26. Okay. Now, what happened yesterday into the market in DWAC will give us the idea or the impression that the market in DWAC either is going to come here to this high and find support, which I suspect is going to be initially. It's going to try to do that. But outside of that, the market in DWAC is going to try to hit all the way back down towards 10. Okay, just saying. We need to see that happen into the market in DWAC. Okay. So looking at the market in DWAC right here, anything, even if we were to see the market in DWAC run back up to 22 like this, that doesn't mean that the market is a buy. In fact, that will be the area that we will be seeing the sellers sell more positions out the market. Okay, that will be it. And we need to be prepared for that. Okay, now the move yesterday into the market in DWAC was severe. So obviously you would suspect that people will try to come back into the market and move the market up higher. But let's not get it twisted. This stock is broken. Okay, it is broken. Now, looking at DWAC on a 3-day chart, we need to anticipate continued weakness, period. Okay, not only are we still trending down, this market in DWAC will now have to overcome $22. Okay, 22. So either or, one of these two lines is going to impact how high DWAC is going to go. I'm going to get rid of this descending line first because my attention now is going to be on whether or not the buyers are going to be able to take out 22. But seeing how the price closed on the low end of the bar in DWAC tells me that weakness is still present. Tells me that I still need to be kind of bearish into looking for price to go down. It's just that simple. Okay, just that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and already put this on the chart. Now, it doesn't mean that DWAC won't go up. In fact, you guys can already see in pre-market is at $19.50. And it might just run up to this open that occurred on September the 2nd and then go back down, or it may hit the open from September the 7th and then begin to go back down. But I definitely doubt that the market in DWAC is going to break back up above $22. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Extend it all the way to November. Now, zooming out, it's going to be hard to see how low the market's going to go. But let's just say my first price target is going to be $17.33. That's going to be my first price target. So let's see what that is. So that's 7%. Okay, so that's my first price target. $17.33 for DWAC. 7%. All right. Anything outside of that would just be cushion. Would just be the cherry on top. Nothing more, nothing less, because it's going to be hard to see whether buyers are really going to try to come into the market in DWAC from that point onward. Because if the buyers are not there around $17.33, then like I said, be prepared for it at least hit 10 or around to where the SPAC started its stock price. Okay, so that is it. I'm done. I'm not really expecting too much out of DWAC right now. I can just tell that there's some issues going on within this SPAC. Actually, creating, I want to say that Chamath, he had like 2 SPACs that he has to return investor funds because it's just not going to work out. He won't be able to take those companies public. And I think that may be the same thing that DWAC is going on with. We're seeing how this market is not even trending at all. It's trending in a downturn, really. That's the trend. And what happened yesterday definitely shows us the same idea, that market in DWAC is broke. Something's not right. All right, so this is it. Give me your thoughts as to where you think the market in DWAC is going to go. I'm looking for it to go down. $17.33 is first. Outside of that, anywhere below that is just extra profit. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.